7 health benefits of mushrooms. Number 1. Improves immune system. Mushrooms are an excellent source of beta-glucans, a type of polysaccharide that boosts the immune system. These compounds stimulate the production of white blood cells, which helps fight off infections and diseases. Number 2. May reduce risk of cancer. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants, such as ergothioneine and selenium, which helps prevent damage to cells and reduce the risk of cancer. Some mushrooms, such as shiitake and maitake, also contain compounds that have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Number 3. Helps manage diabetes. Mushrooms have a low glycemic index, which means they do not cause a significant rise in blood sugar levels. Additionally, they contain compounds that have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, making them an excellent food choice for people with diabetes. Number 4. Promotes heart health. Mushrooms are low in calories and fat, but high in nutrients such as potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol levels. These properties make mushrooms an excellent food for maintaining heart health. Number 5. Supports brain health. Mushrooms contain compounds that have been shown to stimulate nerve growth and improve brain function. Specifically, they contain ergothioneine, which is an antioxidant that protects the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Number 6. Improves bone health. Mushrooms are a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health. Additionally, they contain calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are all important minerals for maintaining healthy bones. Number 7. Aids weight loss. Mushrooms are low in calories and high in fiber, which means they can help you feel full and satisfied without consuming excess calories. This property makes mushrooms an excellent food for weight loss. Whether you enjoy them grilled, sautéed, or in a salad, incorporating mushrooms into your diet can have numerous health benefits.